Merry Christmas, everybody! Happy holidays! I know it's after New Year's, I know it's already 2021, but look at all of this Christmas tech stuff. I was in New Mexico for Christmas, and we had our Christmas on New Year's, so we did it late, but here's everything I got. This is all the stuff that I got for Christmas, and I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for all the support on the last video that I posted, and Merry Christmas, guys. I hope you had a great holiday season with your family and friends, and we can get this year over with. Hopefully you are safe, you're able to go somewhere, or just stay home and spend time with family. I got, Christmas was great this year, and I know it's not about the gifts and stuff, but it's just pretty cool to see it all like right here lined up. But I asked for a lot of Amazon Echo stuff, which I think paid out for sure, and just some stuff like from Five Below, like this light right here, and those headphones down there, and that smart robot, this new monitor, and hopefully we can go through and open all of this epic stuff. So we got the Echo Show, the Echo Dot, the wall clock. You've heard of that before. We got this Blink mini camera. We've got this gaming keyboard. These lights. We got this vacuum. And, I know you can't see it, but if I switch the camera around, look right here. Here's a hoverboard. So that's going to be a ton of fun. But, okay, so I'm not going to be opening all this in one video because that would just not make sense. So I just want to show you all the stuff we got, and it's to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So this is just a short one, and hope you guys are excited to see me open all this great stuff. Bye!